morning, student. Student, as you know, your half yearly examination of biology will be only two chapters. First, cell and second, tissue. In last few online classes, I have taken some revision work of chapter cell. Okay, so today, student, I will ask and give some new question which are not given in your NCERT book. So all of you write down this in your classwork copy and mention the date. Okay, so let's start to write down some extra question of chapter tissue. Okay, so this is the, after this I will give you the revision work of the some videos of the chapter cell and chapter tissue in upcoming online classes. Okay, in future. So all of you get ready to write down some question. I will give some question, but I am not going to write down this. You will write this questions answer in your copy. Okay. So class 9 subject science, subject biology. Today's topic is revision for half yearly exam. Chapter tissue. Okay. Chapter tissue. Student, why blood is called the connective tissue? Why blood is called the connective tissue? Question. Why is blood considered to a connective tissue? Blood, lymph, WBC. Okay. Why, student? First of all, blood is scattered all over in the body. They connect to all parts of the body. Okay. So they are found abundant in our body, and other organs are fixed. Liver fixed, stomach fixed, small intestine, large intestine, salivary gland, but your blood is throughout found in your body in very abundant amount. So the blood and plasma is called or the considered as the connective tissue. So you can write down some clues, some points about the blood connective tissue. Answer: blood consists of living cells. Consists of living cell. Okay, living cell. Scattered, SCATTE, scattered in an abundant, abundant, okay, abundant matrix. Okay, the matrix is liquid or plasma. Matrix is liquid or plasma. Okay, student, plasma in blood. First I will write down. I will explain once again. Blood circulate all parts of body. All parts body. Receiving and providing material. To all tissue. Okay, and organ. Thus, THUS. Thus, connect all parts of body. Okay, all parts of the body. Write down, student. So blood consists of living cells first of all, and scattered in an abundant matrix. The matrix is liquid or plasma in blood. So blood circulates all parts of body. Receiving and providing materials means, receiving means take the carbon dioxide from the cells and tissues, and providing oxygen to cells and tissues, to all tissues and organs. Thus connect all parts of the body. Student, define parenchyma. Define parenchyma. What is parenchyma? You know, parenchyma is generally found in the aquatic plants. It makes the air space between the cells. So what is the function of the parenchyma? Storage the gases. Okay, and inside the plants for respiration and photosynthesis. And second, it make the buoyancy. It make the buoyancy both inside and over the surface of water. Okay, so I will write this. I am going to erase this. Okay, write down what is parenchyma, give its function. What is parenchyma? Give its function. Okay, what is parenchyma? Give its function. So write down. It is STECILASID. Parenchyma. It is specialized parenchyma found in aquatic plant. Found in aquatic plants. Okay, found in aquatic plants, which consists of the network of network of small cells that enclosed large air cavities. Function: okay, store gases or respiration and photosynthesis. Okay, first store gases, ब्रैकेट में O2 and CO2 you can write down. Second, provide buoyancy, BUOYAN, buoyancy. Okay, both inside and outside of the and over the surface of water and over the surface of water. Okay. Next question. You can write down. Name the tissue responsible for movement of our body. Name the tissue responsible, name the tissue responsible for movement of our body. Can write down answer. MUSCU, muscular tissue. Question number 4. Which tissue make up the which tissue make up the husk of coconut? Husk of coconut. Answer. Write down. SCLE, sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma. Question 5. What are constituents of phloem? You know, in phloem xylem there are four cells and tissues are found. Write down. What are the constituents? Answer. Write down direct. Sieve tube, SIE, sieve tube. Companion cell. Companion cell, parent and phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma. Okay, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. And PHLOEM fibers. Question number 6. What are the constituents of xylem? Answer. Write down, student. TRACHIEDS, tracheids. Write down tracheids, vessels and tracheids. Okay, xylem. Okay, tracheids, xylem. Vessel. VESSEL. This is also called tracheae. TRACHAE. Tracheae. Tracheids, tracheae. Xylem fiber. xylem fiber. Okay, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. Student, in some times in question may be asked there are following 4 constituents of the xylem or phloem, which is the living, which is the dead. Okay, so I am giving the clue which is the living and which is the dead. So you can write down or click on the living and dead. So 3 of the 4 elements of xylems are tracheids, vessels and fibers. Tracheids, vessels and fibers are dead and xylem dead. Okay. Tracheids, vessels and xylems are dead and xylem parenchyma is living. Okay, so this is the dead. You can write down this dead, 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 living. This is the dead. Tracheids, vessels and fiber. These are dead. In phloem, C-tube, companion cells and phloem parenchyma. C-tubes, companion cell and phloem parenchyma are living. Okay. Phloem fiber deads. This is dead. So phloem fiber dead in phloem and in xylem parenchyma is xylem parenchyma only living cell and rest are dead. So in 3 days 3 are dead and the phloem 3 are living except 1. In this 1 is dead except 3 are living. Okay, so learn this. Means C-tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma are living cells, whereas phloem fiber are dead cell. Whereas in the xylem, trachea and xylem fibers are dead, only xylem parenchyma is living. So complete this. So today I am giving the homework. So all of you write down this in your classwork copy for revision purpose. Write the difference between the following in CW, copy and learn. Write down STRAI, striated, MUS, muscle, on STRAI, on STRIA, striated muscles, and third cardiac muscle. Second, parenchyma, collenchyma, COLLEN, sclerenchyma, SCLEREN. If you learn this, so 80% you have completed your syllabus of the chapter tissue. Simple tissue, complex tissue. What is the difference between simple tissue and complex tissue? Xylem phloem, this is the small type of question, but this is the bigger type of question. And what is the blood connective? What is the connective tissue? So learn the blood, bone, and skeletal system also. But only I have given two homework: striated muscle, unstriated muscles, cardiac muscle, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Thank you, students. This class is over.